Oh, hey there. Now I know what you're probably all thinking. I don't know when I'm coming back. Aside from these shorts you keep on seeing. I get dragged out of here every now and then to do those. That's when I'll actually be back. Well, that depends on whenever this training is over. The world's about to be hit with something that the likes that it's never seen before. And I need to be prepared to help fight it. I'm not the only one training. But I think I am the only one who might be training this hard. Not to say anything bad about anyone else, but it's just the truth. With the powers I was given, with the transformation I have to undergo, I'm trying to keep it together. It's painful. Painful like you could never even imagine. I don't know how much longer I'll have until I come back. But if the world, if the multiverse that I'm looking after is to stay safe, I have to do everything I can to keep it that way. And that means being at my best. And I'll do whatever it takes to make sure that happens. We're facing threats that we've faced before, but we've never faced them all at once like this. And some of them are new threats as well. That's what makes this even worse. I don't know what else to say, other than I'll be back soon. I promise that. How soon? Well, that I can't say yet. But until we meet again, stay safe out there, everyone. And don't let the monsters get you. Don't let the darkness win.